Hello and welcome to weekly Kashmir University Video Digest Quest. First, a look at the highlights. DSW organizes Youth Parliament debate. English department arranges a book releasing function. Markaz-e-Noor releases Professor Manzoor Fazli's book. Now the details with your host Musa Hayat. The Department of Students' Welfare organized Youth Parliamentary Debate. The Youth Parliament was held to prepare students for the knockout stages. Kashmir University team has reached to knockout stages in All India competition and is expecting to be one of the finalists. Dean Students' Welfare Professor Nilofer Khan welcomed the guests and participants.
It's indeed a great pleasure for University of Kashmir to qualify for the National Youth Parliament debating competition. We are very grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor that he has taken out his precious time and encouraged our students by his presence over here. I formally welcome on behalf of University of Kashmir Shri J. Sundaryal. I also welcome Professor S.M. Afzal Qadri. I welcome Shri Saurabh Gaur. I also welcome Shri Satya Prakash and Shri Anil Kumar. We are very thankful to all our guests from our Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs for being with us over here, and I'm sure that this program will be a great success and you'll carry good memories of our students with you. I must say that our students are very active, very talented, very intelligent, and they have worked very hard for this competition. I wish them all the best.
After the welcome address, Youth Parliament commenced, in which students of Kashmir University showcased their talent.
स्पीकर साहब, काला बाजारी चल रही है, काला बाजारी। हम जानना चाहेंगे क्या कर रही है हमारी हुकूमत काला बाजारी को रोकने के लिए।
Sir, 18 crore bank accounts in a single month. That's way more than what their government did during their tenure of 10 long years, sir.
I would like to counsel the ministry that she should implement the policies she is talking about, because logically speaking, policies are made to be implemented.
There's a very famous Kashmiri quotation, Babunetar Priyamidam. What this translates into is that you want students to get admitted in the schools right away, you want to give them education right away, you want them to have degrees right away, and then you want them to get employed right away. How is it possible?
Also, ma'am, I would like to say that the tourism sector has shown a growth of 8% in our regime against a growth of 4 to 5% when your ineffective, rather incumbent government was in power.
इस सरकार से पूछना चाहता हूं कि ये उद्योगपतियों के हित को राष्ट्रीय हित से महत्व क्यों देती है? क्या इसलिए कि उन उद्योगपतियों ने इस सरकार को इलेक्शन के समय में सहायता की थी? ये जवाब देंगे किस तरह से सहायता की?
Substantial dependence on rainfall makes cultivation in remaining areas a high risk and less productive profession. What is this greedy government doing? They are favoring big industrialists.
I am sensing that the opposition is initiating a mass-standard propaganda campaign against a bill which is going to lead this nation towards prosperity and development. The opposition is involved in victory.
It has been a long pending issue right from independence that the police force must be patronized on modern lines and must be more public friendly. And by the passage of this bill, I believe that the government's expensive bill achieve the very objective of reformation on modern lines.
जिम्मेदार सरकार लानी चाहिए जो लोगों के मसले हल करे, जो उनकी सिक्योरिटी फराहम करे।
As we all know, India is a signatory to the Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman and Degrading Treatment or Punishment.
After the end of debate, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Dr. Satya Prakash Saha, told students that success of democracy lies when citizens participate in the democratic institutions.
Parliament and state legislatures are today's mosques and temples. Success of all democratic institutions lies in participation of its citizenry at all levels. What basically democracy means? It's a Greek word which means rule by the people. In democracy, citizens of a country have got say. Whatever they want, their destiny is decided in that manner only. Basic features of a democratic state is separation of powers has to be there, some basic civil rights have to be there. Then there is liberty to whatever religion they want to profess. That kind of liberty has to be there in the democracies.
Former Dean Law Professor S.M. Afzal Qadri hoped that this exercise will help students in their future endeavors.
Our students have participated in this youth parliament, and this will just give them chance to learn how we work in a democratic setup. Democracy is a sense of the Indian Union. There can be difference of opinion on certain issues, and the best way is to resolve the issues by way of discussions and debates. And this is a step towards that.
Director Rajya Sabha Secretariat Mr. J. Sundriyal told participants that they have demonstrated excellent leadership qualities.
ये जो हमारा कंपटीशन है यूथ पार्लियामेंट का, इसमें हम जो लीडर्स की जो सक्सेस के पैरामीटर्स हैं, उसमें 3-4 पैरामीटर्स हैं: डिसिप्लिन, डेकोरम, स्पीच क्वालिटी एंड स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ डिबेट्स. मैं आप लोगों की परफॉर्मेंस देखिए, आज इतना मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि आप लोग इन सारे पैरामीटर्स में बहुत सक्सेसफुली उभर के सामने आए. ये जो हम आपको 4-5 पैरामीटर बताए हैं, इसी के आधार पर हम अपने लीडर्स को भी आगे आकलन करते हैं उनका. तो आप लोग जो कि पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, आज यूथ पार्लियामेंट का भी आप लोगों ने यहाँ पर डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन किया है, आपको हमने कुछ फीचर बताए हैं. तो मेरी अपील होगी कि आप लोगों को यू हैव टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल अबाउट दीज क्वालिटीज, दीज पैरामीटर्स, जो कि चाहिए नॉट ओनली अमंग लीडर्स बट in any individual. These qualities are required.
Cultural Officer Mr. Shahid Ali conducted the proceedings of the function.
Worthy guests and young parliamentarians, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have assembled here to witness yet another milestone of Kashmir University Youth Parliament. As I already know that we have qualified in the group level and qualified for the nationals, and today is the National Youth Parliament competition.
The Department of English, in its initiative to restore the status of Urdu and Persian in Kashmir, started Meet the Author program. In this connection, 2 books were released in the Humanities Auditorium. Former Director of Radio Kashmir Rafiq Raz and teenage author Ubaid Haidar's book were released on the occasion. Head Department of English, Professor Hamida Naeem, in her welcome address said that Urdu and Persian languages have a special place in Kashmir society.
It is not only at the hands of the state that this language has suffered, but it is also at the hands of the people that Urdu has suffered. And that is apparent from the hoardings, the boards of the shops, of the establishments, of the offices, which are written in English but not in Urdu, in spite of the fact that Urdu is our official language. We have now included courses in classical languages, our own native language, that is Kashmiri. We have also introduced courses in Persian language, though in translation, but we have very good teachers who also read the Persian before they actually translate it, or a Kashmiri or Urdu. We have introduced Ghalib, Iqbal, Faiz, and so on and so forth. Therefore, that also gives us legitimacy in actually hosting this program, which is on the latest book of Rafiq Raz, which is called Nakhl-e-Aab.
Professor Majroor Rashid, Dr. Maroof Shah reviewed Rafiq Raz's book Nakhl-e-Aab for the audience.
The poet has very aptly and dispassionately objectified the subjective and collective feelings of a people who had to face the tragedy of life in all its nakedness. Rafiq Raz portrays the spiritual crisis as well as the psychological predicament of Kashmiris within and without through images of freshness and inviolate nature. Whenever I look at his poems, I am always reminded of the famous English romantics William Blake, William Wordsworth, and S.T. Coleridge, as his poetic imagination in a certain way is in tune with theirs. It seems that he paved the way to restore the sovereignty and supremacy of the spirit in the creative process which had been ignored by his senior contemporaries, including Professor Rahi.
राज साहब का एक जुमला है, यितकिन बास है अस पनुन गजल सरमाय ते छट डेर अगर न यह छट डेरस पे अमीन कामिल काजी गुलाम मोहम्मद रफीक राज ही रंग तो मुश्क छटवन गुलाब फलमित आसन। सूफी शायरी के मुतालिक उनका ये नजरिया कि इसको सूफियों की शायरी न कि सूफी शायरी कहना चाहिए, इस बात का गम्माज है कि तसव्वुफ और शेर या शेर और शऊर के नामियाती रिश्ते के कायल नहीं। तसव्वुफ में बिलखुसूस कश्मीरी सूफियों के यहाँ इस बात की खुसूसियत के साथ इल्तिजाम किया गया है कि अपना हाल या सिरी वारिदात ही का बयान हो। राज साहब इस बात के भी कायल नजर नहीं आते हैं कि आला शायरी बाय डिफॉल्ट या बाय डेफिनेशन एक किस्म की मुतसव्विफाना शायरी है।
Poet Zarif Ahmad Zarif recited a few verses in favor of the author.
Timo won gatul kota dutum yar pannu gar kunsaran khar. Ilmas adbas wuts partid gonma taw kun putmut shar. Ilmas adbas wuts partid gonma taw kun putmut shar. Farhadash mushirini balan pethi voitis pyar. Farhadas mushirini balan pethi voitis pyar.
Professor G.R. Malik in his presidential address stressed the importance of languages and said that Urdu is not a language but a culture.
Urdu is not merely a language, it is a culture. It is a culture that has nursed our minds, our sensibilities for so many years. Unfortunately, for reasons which are not hard to know, everyone knows. Political reasons primarily. This language does not get the kind of encouragement that it deserves. When I say that it is a culture, it was the culture of the subcontinent's Muslims, it was the culture of the subcontinent's Hindus in particular. And when I say this, I have authors like Munshi Premchand in mind, authors like Brij Narayan Chakbast in mind. For Ubaid Saab, I have not studied his book yet, but the fact that at the age of 15, as the book tells us that he was born in 2000, at the age of 15 he can produce a book about Raj Saab, what can I say? He is one of those poets about whom all of us feel proud.
Teenage author Mr. Ubaid Haider also spoke on the occasion.
Anyone has the ability to do it, and only he needs support and inspiration and encouragement, which he must take from his parents or anyone else, being all his teachers. I think I have been able to accomplish this job only because of their inspiration, my parents, teachers and others too.
Zui zaban takhliqi tor vartaymas te yemay chum hechmas. यमने मन हमेशा में गुफ्तगू कर या उर्दू या कशुर, मगर ऑफ लेट यो सारी जबानों खुद ज़्यादा ताकतवर जबान छे तथ बह ज़्यादा काम हे तथ मन बह बोल सो जबान छे खामोशी जबान सकूत जबान शायरी कर।
In another book releasing function, Markaz-e-Noor Center for Sheikhul Alam Studies, in collaboration with J&K Academy of Art, Culture and Languages, released two books. Rishwar, The Valley of Saints, authored by late Professor Manzoor Ahmad Fazli, and Pahari translation of Kalam-e-Sheikh, Bol Anmol by Mr. Naeem Karnahi, were released in the Markaz-e Hall. Secretary, J&K Cultural Academy, Dr. Aziz Hajni, presented the welcome address.
आप सब हजरात, आप सब ख्वातीन इस बात से खूबी वाकिफ हैं कि पिछले 750 साल के दौरान, इससे पहले कि हमें तो ज़्यादा कोई वाकफियत नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल में इस अरसे के दौरान जो सबसे बड़ी शख्सियत कश्मीर ने पैदा की है वो शेखुल आलम है। शेखुल आलम की शख्सियत के जितने डायमेंशन थे, वो एक सियासी कायद भी थे, वो एक समाजी रहनुमा भी थे, वो एक मजहबी कायद भी थे, पेशवा थे, वो एक मुबल्लिग भी थे, वो एक आला पाया के वली भी थे, वो एक शायर भी थे, और वो क्या नहीं थे, और कश्मीर की तहजीब के मेहमान थे।
Chairman Markaz-e-Noor Professor Bashar Bashir, while congratulating authors, said that language is no bar here.
Language हमारी कोई मसला नहीं, खासतौर से शेख उल-आलम सेंटर में this center is associated with faculty of social science, so we don't have any such problem in this center. ये सही है कि कोशिश छुमें सोज़बान जब से गोटुक मोहब्बत मौजूद, मगर यह सेंटर में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश करा कि अंग्रेज़ी तो उर्दू दिखाई किसी इंट्रोड्यूस करो.
Dr. Maroof Shah and former Doordarshan Kendra Srinagar director Mr. Farooq Nazki also expressed their views.
Manzoor Fazli is a Kashmiriologist with a difference. He combines the virtues of a historian, an educationist, culturologist with a disciplined mind, sharpened by scientific orientation and a heart of a poet, and brings his varied gifts for sharp focusedness of various issues. Inheritor of a Sufi tradition, he is not blind to its various disingenuous appropriations. His defense of peers against his critics is interesting, considering his respect for class-based analysis of culture. And Sheikh ul-Alam is a rich in that spiritual aristocracy, with which Marxism has somewhat a problematic relationship. And Fazli Sahib has tried to with a very great subtlety, he has tried to maneuver that gap.
ये जो किताब उसने लिखी है, अपने पूरे कन्विक्शन से लिखी है. मारूफ का मकाला जो है, मुझे याद पड़ता है कि कमाल अमरोही जब पहली बार फिल्मों में गए तो उन्होंने डायरेक्टर महबूब से कहा, हुजूर मैं सुनने की चीज़ हूँ, देखने की चीज़ नहीं, मकाले सुनिए. और मारूफ के बारे में मेरी राय यह है कि वो सुनने की नहीं, पढ़ने की चीज़ है. और उसका ये मकाला जो है, ये सर्कुलेट होकर आदमी पढ़े तो उसमें मज़ा आए, नहीं तो ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ वो एक मौजू से उठ के दूसरे मौजू की तरफ छलांग मारते हैं.
Being a teacher to the core of his heart, he was more concerned about imparting education and achieving high values in life. At a time when many of his contemporaries in educational institutions would like their sons and daughters to be engineers and doctors, he preferred something different for his own children. The result is quite clear, as all of my siblings are in the teaching profession, and I have the distinction of being in the media, both the fields having a close relationship, and we have a lineage from both the fields.
The Vice Chancellor, Central University Kashmir, Professor Mehrajuddin, while lauding Markaz-e-Noor Center, said that he would be happy to help to spread the message of Sheikh ul-Alam.
मरहूम प्रोफेसर फाजली एक मंबा थे शराफत की, एक अजीम शख्सियत थी. मेरा उनसे इंटरेक्शन अमूमन हुआ करता था. मेरा ऑफिस था, मेरा डिपार्टमेंट था नसीमबाग में, उनका डिपार्टमेंट भी नसीमबाग में, पॉलिटिकल साइंस में. खुदा गवाह है, इस वक्त मुझे बिल्कुल याद आ रहा है, जब भी हम मंजूर साहब से मतलब कुछ बात करना चाहते थे, उनका लहजा वेरी स्लो, वेरी उनका बोलने का तरीका इतना हम्बल, इतना कि आदमी उनके बोलने से ही कुछ न कुछ सीख जाता था. मंजूर साहब जैसे लोगों ने हमारे लिए कुछ न कुछ लीगेसी पीछे छोड़ी, और मुझे ये यकीन है कि आप जो यहाँ पर अली बैठे हैं, आप लोग जो स्कॉलर्स बैठे हैं, उनके लाई अमल, उनके नक्श कदम पर चलकर उनका जो मिशन था अलीम का, उसको आगे चलाएंगे. मैं चेयरमैन और सेक्रेटरी साहब को ये अर्ज करना चाहता हूँ, अगर वो कोई सेमिनार करना चाहते हैं शेख उल-आलम के टीचिंग पर, या जो मैंने अर्ज किया शेख उल-आलम एज ए चैंपियन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स और एज ए सोशल जूरिस्ट, जो भी आप चाहे, तो मेरे लिए फख्र की बात होगी, सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए फख्र की बात होगी. हम आगे लगे रहेंगे. जब भी आप चाहे तो आप एक कर लीजिए, एक सेमिनार कर लीजिए, 2 दिन का, 1 दिन का.
With this, we come to the end of today's program. In case you have missed some part of Quest, log on to our website ammrckashmir.com, where you can watch it. Send us your suggestions at our email address quest@ammrckashmir.com. Before I take your leave, here are a few words of wisdom. Education is the ability to listen to almost anything, without losing your temper or your self-confidence.